Hello friends, today we are going to learn different types of angles in mathematics. Okay, first what is angle? First हम start करेंगे angle क्या होगा. So before going to learn angle, we should know ray. Ray is nothing but on starting point and it has the other is infinite. It's extending in starting point and no ending point. So if two rays have a common point, if two rays have the same starting point, then it frames an angle. It frames an angle. What? It is called ray. It is called ray, and it is called ray. Two rays have a common point. Their starting point is it's one only, common, that is this. So it frames an angle. This is called an angle. Okay. Now different types of angles. Different types of angles we are going to learn now. Let's start with first angle. First different types of angle. In that I am going to explain you first acute angle. ये acute angle क्या होता है हम अब देखेंगे. First one is acute angle. Then we'll go on to second one, right angle. Right angle किसको कहते हैं right angle? ये भी हम सीखेंगे और थोड़े एग्जाम्पल्स करेंगे इसके ऊपर. Right. Next third one. Third one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Then we'll see on look onto that next one. That is straight angle. Straight angle. Next we'll move to that reflex angle. Reflex. Okay, reflex angle, right? Okay. Next, last, complete angle. That is what? Complete angle. Complete angle. Okay, these are the different types of angles. We should know basics. So we should know. Everyone should know what is called acute angle and what are the properties these angles have. Today we are going to learn in this video. चलिए अब आगे बढ़ते हैं acute angle. Acute angle क्या होता है? So here acute angle is nothing but, see, our angle starts from, you can take it here, our angle starts from 0 degrees, okay, and it comes middle exactly. It comes exactly middle, that is 90 degrees. That is 90 degrees. Okay, I'll show you. Fine. 0 degrees से start होता है अपना angle. You can use compass also. See here, it starts from 0 degrees. Okay, now it moves on. After going, it reaches to here, right? Again, it completes here. Again, it comes to here. So it completes. It takes one circle. It starts from here, and it takes complete one angle and different types. Acute angle is nothing but an angle whose measures between 0 degrees to 90 degrees. 0 degrees to 90 degrees. An angle whose measures between 0 to 90 degrees. ये कहाँ होता है? देखिए यहाँ पर 0 to 90. This is 90 exactly. Perpendicular to each other. That is called 90 degrees. ये हो गया 0 degrees. So in between this, whatever the angles comes between 0 to 90 degrees, like 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees. This complete part is nothing but what here? Acute angle. ये होता है acute angle. An angle whose measures between 0 to 90 degrees. 0 to 90 degrees. Okay. That is called example. I am giving for here acute angle. Acute angle I am giving examples. You can take here what? 30 degrees, 55 degrees, 60 degrees, 70 degrees, 80 degrees. अब हम एक सर्किल ले लेंगे. कंप्लीट एंगल क्या होता है देखेंगे. ठीक है बच्चों? दैट इज 0. ये हो गया 0 डिग्रीज. 0 डिग्री से स्टार्ट करेंगे हम. 0 से लेकर पूरा कंप्लीट ये हो गया 90 डिग्रीज परपेंडिकुलर. एग्जैक्टली 90 डिग्रीज. सो जो एंगल इन बिटवीन ये दोनों के बीच में, यानी कि 10 आफ्टर 0 आफ्टर 1 2 3 सो ऑन 89 तक, यहाँ पर जो भी एंगल्स आ रहे इस बीच के अंदर, इस बीच में जो भी एंगल्स आ रहे, इस अब एंगल किसको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? इसका नाम क्या होगा? acute angles, everything. Fine. Exactly 90 degrees. जो perpendicular exactly होता है, exactly 90 degrees. An angle whose measures exactly 90 degrees. Exactly 90 degrees. जो exactly 90 degrees को measure करता है उसको अपन क्या बोलेंगे? Right angle. उसका नाम क्या है? Right angle. Exactly 90 degrees. अब 90 के बाद जो आता है, 90 after 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, ये हो गया 180. So इन दोनों के बीच the angles which comes under between 90 and 180. So here you can see here what 91 onwards starts from 91 end with 179 degrees. Whatever the angles comes here, ये पूरे जो भी angles होते हैं पूरे क्या होते हैं? Obtuse. What are those angles? Obtuse angles. Obtuse. The angles which comes between 90 to 180 degrees. इसे कहते हैं obtuse. 90 to 180 degrees. An angle which measures between 90 degrees to 180 degrees. 90 degrees to 180 degrees. अपने को तो पता है straight angle. बच्चों straight angle what is that? Straight which measures exactly 180 degrees. Which measures exactly जो ये straight ये दिख रहा नाम का इसको क्या बोलते हैं? 180 degrees. Which measures exactly straight angle, straight line. A straight line contains how many degrees? 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Okay. Now move on to reflex. Reflex यानी कि 180 के बाद जो आते पूरे here to here, it comes here to here. ये क्या होता है? Total 360 degrees होता है. Complete के लिए 360 degrees. So 180. So an angle which measures in between 180 degrees to 360 degrees. 180 से स्टार्ट होकर 360 degrees के बीच में आने वाले एंगल्स को, ये सब एंगल्स को between 180 to 360 whatever comes all are called reflex. नीचे ये तो स्ट्रेट लाइन हो गया, ये ऊपर क्या है? Acute and exactly 90 degrees. Exactly 90 degrees is called right angle. Then obtuse angle. Between 90 to 180 is obtuse. 0 to 90 between 0 to 90 is acute angle. Exactly 90 degrees says right angle. ये straight angle कितना हो गया? 180 degrees. That is called straight angle. Reflex is nothing but below the 180. नीचे से below the 180. That means what? 180 after 190. 200, 220, 250, 260, 270, 3 at last between 360. अब complete angle क्या होता है? An angle which measures 360 degrees. 0 से start होकर again will reach to 0 only. Then we can say पूरा from here we started, 0 started, again we reach to the same position. Then we can say that a complete is completed. One cycle is completed. That complete angles is how many degrees? 360 degrees. It finished to complete 360 degrees. So that angle is called complete angle. So these are the basics, fundamental which we have to know in mathematics. Thank you, children.